You were made out of plastic face. Tangled up in your drastic ways. Who knew evil girls had the prettiest face? You were made out.
Bitch, be for real. Here's you off a pill. Okay, let's make a deal. Rubble still skin. She wanna see my purple pickle up in the wind. Okay. Bitch, be for real. Here's you.
One day I'll wake up at 3 a.m. I won't be alone. I won't text you or call you. I won't miss you or want to run. Because one day when I wake up at 3 a.m. you'll be laying next to me and not my. One day I'll wake up at 3 a.m. I won't be alone.
You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my best friend. I said that.
Nice to know you, let's do it again. How we did it in a one night stand. Do you wanna be more than a friend? Do you? Nice to know you.
Comment for Easter. Like for Christmas. Follow for Halloween. And then do all for boss. Comment for Easter.
The sixth grader committed suicide last week.
The student also had a suicide note, having a hard time dealing with being a teenager.
The sixth grader committed suicide last week.
Is it just me, or has anybody ever had to explain to somebody that, no, I wasn't a cutter. I don't cut myself. But the scars on my arms are because I have two furry little assholes that don't know the difference between playtime and a fight to the death? Is it just me, or has anybody ever had to explain?
I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines.
You know what, guys? This game is so ass. I'm about to quit. Last like freaking gets my account. You know what, guys?
Problem 1. 8 plus 2.
It's easy for me.
21.
Problem 1.
I ain't been getting high. Well, maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not an angel either, you can't even fly.